but it's titled, I Meet No One But Me. That's a heavy trip. You see, everybody that you meet, even the SOB, is you. You are your own devil, you are your own God, and none can decide the path you must trod. And none can save you from error or sin unless you listen to the Spirit within. All right? So those negative people you met are telling you of your negatives that you need to work on. And let me say this, and then I'll have to move on from this one. But this is very important, because a lot of people have, as I said, I've seen them come into this teaching, and they make a tremendous demonstration. And boy, they're on cloud nine, like this lady said she was before she left out of here. But during the break, she met some negative people. Those were your own negatives that you stirred up. And you really don't know how many negatives you've got until you stir them up with your positives, you see. And you got to deal with them. Remember, in the Gospels, it tells us a very interesting thing, and I did a series on that called Lessons, Blessings, and Testings. I have not released that yet to you meta-magicians, because that's sort of Pentecostal preaching too, but it is extremely metaphysical. Let me hear you say lessons, blessings, and testings. The Gospels tell us that Jesus fasted 40 days. And after he had fasted 40 days, the first thing he met was the devil. Now, if I would ever fast 40 days, I would never expect to see that fellow again. But you see, the fact is, the more spiritual minded you become, and when you tend towards spiritual things, then you really stir up those negatives within yourself, and you have to meet them and correct them. Every soul must meet its devils. You must meet all of your negatives. Oh, God. Reverend Ike, I sure don't, I felt good before too, but I don't feel... See, but at least you know what's happening. And you can say, well, this is my devil, and so I'm going to straighten him out. Let me hear you say that. And you see, Jesus met, and one of the devils that Jesus met was the devil of self-doubt, because it is said that the devil said to him, if you be the Son of God, turn these stones to bread. And notice you can tell when the devil comes along. You have to bear with me. You understand I'm going between fundamentalism and esoteric science all at the same time, but it'll come out right. The devil said, if you be the Son of God. And Reverend Ike says in those tapes, one thing that you never do, you never if with the devil. Some of you are not saved. Never. Now, where was that devil coming from? From the area of self-doubt. To get the man of the mind to doubt his divine sonship or his divine paternity. That's where the devil comes in one attack. Your self-doubt. Let me hear you say the devil of self-doubt. But you see, you got to meet that devil. But when you meet that devil, that's when you need to know the Word. And you see, Jesus defeated that devil of self-doubt with the Word. He said, get behind me, Satan, it is written. You shall not tempt the Lord your God. In other words, he was saying, devil, I am God to you, and I'm not going to let you kick my behind, I'm going to kick yours. See why I don't let you meta-magicians have those tapes? Anyway. Everybody's got to meet his devils, and you'll meet your devils in various people and in various things, and you've got to meet them at some point or the other. And during that particular series, and that was about 3 years ago, about 3 summers ago now, I think, I did something that I am having to deal with. I stood there and I said, whatever it is in me that needs to be straightened out, I said, come on, I'm ready for you. Matter of fact, what I said, come on, Mother, I'm ready. And did they ever come? Oh, the stuff came up that I can't even tell you about. You know, I started finding out a whole lot of things that I needed to straighten out. A whole lot of people went out of my life. Okay. So don't despair when you meet your devil. Just say, well, this is something that I need to clean up. Let me hear you say, this is something I need to clean up. You know, just stay prayerful and clean it up.